Hi, hope your day's going well. We're going to do some solving and rearranging equations. Well, not solving, we're looking at rearranging, but they have the same steps. When you both solve and when you rearrange, the steps are exactly the same. So we use BEDMAS. Now you know what BEDMAS is. We normally do brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction, but when we solve, we work this in reverse. And when we rearrange, we again work this in reverse. We go backwards because we have to get rid of subtraction and addition first, then multiplication and division, then get rid of exponents, then brackets. So anything in brackets stays to the last. So let's have a look at this. We want to solve this equation. How do I solve this equation? The first thing I do is I get rid of subtraction and addition. I can't touch this one because it's in brackets. Brackets is last. So I write 2 x plus 3 equals 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 we know is 14. Then brackets comes last, so we have to divide by 2. So my x plus 3 has to be then divide by 2 over there. So I remove the 2. That gives me an answer of 7. Then you go x plus 3 and you take away 3 to the other side and you get your answer as 4. If you can solve, you should be able to rearrange. So I'm going to do the same thing, except this time we're going to make x the subject. Note I've got replaced 2 with A, I've replaced 3 with B, I've replaced 5 with C, and 9 with D. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to get rid of addition and subtraction first. So to get rid of that minus C, I'm going to add C to the other side. So that leaves me with A, x plus B. Now, before I can make that a number, I just leave it as letters. Then I just divide that with A, so you get x plus B equals D plus C divided by A. And then you subtract away the B. So x equals D plus C over A minus B. Done. So if we want to make R the subject of this, pi r squared, I need to move everything from the left-hand side to the right-hand side except the R. So we're doing our BEDMAS in reverse. There is no addition and subtraction, so don't have to worry about that. Multiplication and addition. We see that R is squared. Well, that's the exponent. So we've got to get rid of this multiplied by pi. So I go A over pi equals R squared. Now I've got to get rid of the exponent. Opposite squaring is square root. So there we have it. So if you apply the rule of doing BEDMAS in reverse, and instead of working out answers as numbers, just leave the letters in there. And that should be good for rearranging. So here's something a little bit different. Crossing a bridge. Normally we have to go over water. Here's water over water. So this is like a normal bridge. You rearrange, you solve an equation. But when you've got water over, that's rearranging. Till next time.